Unang bibida ang 642 sa pagpapapremyo at dahil wala tayong jackpot this last Tuesday, tonight's 642 jackpot prize is 24,427,207 pesos net of the agent's prize commission. Let's play! Lotto 642. We will be waiting for the 6 lucky numbers. To complete 6 numbers for our 642, good luck to all Lotto players. For the first number, we have 37. To all Lotto players, you have 1 year to claim your prizes. At sa pagkuha po ng panalo, huwag pong kalimutan na magdala ng 2 valid IDs. At syempre, huwag kakalimutan ang inyong winning ticket. The second number is 5. Dito sa 642, panalo ay ng 20 pesos kapag nag-match ang 3 number ninyo. Ayan. The numbers can come in any orders. The third number is 25. Kung sakali naman maka-4 winning numbers kayo, automatic naman na 800 pesos ang pwede niyong mapanalunan dito sa 642. Ayan. And you can watch the Lotto draw here in my page. Sa Lotto Result Today 9 PM Draw. Ayan, yan yung pangalan ng page ko. The fourth number is 31. At kung 5 winning numbers naman ang mapanalunan ninyo sa ticket ninyo, automatic na 24,000 ang pwede ninyong mapanalunan dito sa 642. The fifth number is 18. One more lucky number to complete our 642 Lotto draw. Ayan. At sana isa dito sa page ko ang manalo ng Lotto Milyonaryo. Good luck! And the final number, number 2. We having tonight official Lotto 642 winning numbers. We have 37, 5, 25, 31, 18, 2. In any order for the jackpot prize of 24,427,207 pesos. Ayan. Net of the agent's prize commission. Bago po tayo magtapos sa 642, ayan, don't forget na i-follow and i-like ang aking page na Lotto Result Today 9 PM Draw. Ayan, updated po tayo sa ating draw everyday. Ayan. At hindi pa po nagtatapos dyan ang ating draw ngayong araw na ito dahil meron pa pong susunod na 649. Ayan. At stay tuned. Don't forget to follow and like my page. At bago po kalimutan, we have no winner.